Had enough of confusing credit repair? Meet Linda, the solution you've been searching for. Dominica had an exceptional experience with Linda from Australian Credit Solution. From the get-go, Linda was kind, patient, and thorough. She took the time to break down every detail of the credit repair process, making sure Dominica understood each step. Linda's calm demeanor was a big plus. She made Dominica feel at ease and was always ready to answer any question, big or small. It's clear that Linda goes above and beyond to ensure her clients feel confident and informed. Dominica highly recommends Linda for anyone looking for professional, caring, and detailed assistance with credit repair. So if you need help fixing your credit, look no further than Linda at Australian Credit Solution. You'll be in great hands.